Good day everyone, my name is Ayoola Ajanaku and I'll be talking to you about a web app called Open House. Open House is an app that allows reservation houses manage their reservation all in one place. It helps to deliver a great guest experience as they can manage their reservations. It also plays an important role in keeping the hotels running with ease and comfort. The technology used to create this app includes Bootstrap and CSS for the front end. I used Laravel for the back end. I used MySQL for the database, and I used AED SQL for the administrative tool. I would like to show you a few functionalities of this app. So this is the landing page of the app. We have the browse accommodations button that takes you to the list of accommodations we have in the hotel. We have the home page button that takes you back to the home page, the landing page also. And we have the sign up for access to thousands of accommodations that allows you to log in and sign up. Once you click on the button, it takes you to the login page. So we are using a user. If you click on submit, it takes you to the user's dashboard. On the user's dashboard, you have access to a list of reservations the user has made before. You can edit those reservations, but we are going to be making a new reservation. So on this page, we are going to choose the room category. We are selecting the category and the price. When you are making a reservation, you definitely need to be specific about the arrival date and also the checkout date. The number of guests arriving is also important. 3 guests coming. Once you click on book it, the reservation will be added to the list of reservations on the user's dashboard. So we can also edit reservations. We can change the amount. You can change the room type if the guest wishes to change the room category they want, or if it is still available. You can change the arrival date and the departure date. You can also change the number of guests, and most importantly, we can also delete that reservation if the guest decides not to show up. We have clicked on the delete button, and once we click on that, we have the successfully deleted your reservation notification. Other functionality include editing the dates of arrival and also the number of guests. These are the functionalities we have currently on this app. But future functionalities includes access to manage and run audits by the managers, and the ability to also check for room availability and room status, which has to do with the housekeeping aspect of the hospitality management. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you.